Introducing the EV30 Ultra, the powerhouse of precision in fiber laser cutting. Designed for outstanding performance and crafted for maximum productivity, this is the ideal solution for processing medium to heavy plates. Boasting a working area measuring around 10 feet by 5 feet and a cutting range exceeding 118 inches. It stands fully prepared to tackle your most challenging metalworking tasks. Powered by a 12-kilowatt max laser and smart Bochi cutting head, the EV30 Ultra slices through 30mm carbon steel like butter. The intelligent zip cut system automates nesting, optimizes material usage, and boosts cutting speed. With Fuji Servos and Italian Moto Vario reducers, you get unmatched acceleration and precision. From stainless to aluminum and beyond, the EV30 Ultra adapts to all your high-speed cutting needs. Made for industries such as shipbuilding, electronics, and advertising, this isn't just a machine. It is an invaluable business partner that stands by your side. Now in stock at our California warehouse. No wait times, just fast delivery and faster results. Includes 2-year full system warranty and on-site training, all backed by our North America-based service team. Visit us at FabTech USA or contact to schedule a demo. EV30 Ultra, precision delivered.